Okay, let's work a sample proof for section C. This is actually just the first exercise in the practice set on Dashboard for Chapter 8, Section C1. And this one has two premises. First premise says not C or D. And the second premise says if Q, then C or D. And then I'm told that the conclusion for this argument should be not Q. That's what I need to reach by the end of my proof. Okay, so the first thing I always do is I take a look at the conclusion. Whatever statements I see here, I look for them in the premises, whether it's a negation or not. I just look and see, do I see anywhere in the premises? Here I'm looking for Q in the premises. Do I see anywhere in the premises the letter Q? So over here, there it is. It's in the antecedent of a conditional. Here, of course, it's positive. It's just Q. Here in the conclusion, it's negative, not Q. And immediately that calls to mind modus tollens. That's the MT rule, because that will take a conditional like this, where you have something like Q in your antecedent, and it'll give you not Q as your conclusion. To use modus tollens, I need to know that this part, the consequent, is false. That says C or D. Line number 1 tells me not C or D, so that tells me that's false, and my modus tollens, this is actually just going to be a one additional line for this proof, I get not Q right away, and the reasoning for that is from lines 1, lines 2, and MT is the rule, modus tollens. All right, now this is a pretty straightforward, very straightforward proof. It really is just sort of testing to see if you know the rules here, the simple rule modus tollens. If you know that rule and you see this proof, you can see your way to that conclusion fairly quickly. So hope that helps.